We've been out here before, but there's a reason we haven't gone back. There's no path out there. We really don't have a clue what's out there, and everything we're finding is worse than we expected. Welcome to Lorrie's World, where we're trying to recover our property from 12 years of neglect.
Well, it's starting to rain again, so I'm not going to be out here for very long. But I wanted to come out here and show you what we found today. We haven't been able to get too far back in this part of the yard because, well, as you can see, it's a little bit blocked in. But we did. I gotta be careful walking through here because it's a disaster. You can see down here, I gotta watch where I put my feet. Can you even see them? Oh, there they are. I gotta watch where I put my feet here because it's a little bit treacherous. I wanted to walk out through here with you and show you what we found here. Careful, I don't want to fall. Ah! Oh, and look what I almost grabbed a hold of. I was gonna grab it to start asserting myself, but look at it's look at the size of that thing. That's a blackberry vine. Oh, all right. All right, then keep going. Oh, and look at this pile of. It's like they just limbed the trees above, and then they just let everything just drop here, and they just left it. Like, how irresponsible and neglectful is that? Like, look at this pile of stuff here is, well, it's probably at my waist. Looking at it, it's like waist high. So that's like what, 4 feet? 4 feet high. Oh, and I'm really not going to be able to go much further than what we got right here. Uh, yeah, because I'm not even trying to get through that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Uh, and what's this, you may ask? We're not sure, but we think it's an auger from a sewage drain tester thingy. Yeah. Anyway, starting to rain. Got to go in. I might melt. This is a path, apparently, that people use to get back into this wildlife area back here. But I thought I'd come and have a look. You can see through there, there's our fence. Oh, look, I can see some nice garbage right up there against the fence. That's always lovely. So you can go and hike up through here. I don't think anybody minds if you hike up through here. But yeah, again, you can look through there. You can see our fence. You can see all those piles of, again, look, piles of limbed branches that they've taken off of these trees and then just left them where they fell. Ah, it just disgusts me. So irritated with them. Let's go back. Now, this is supposed to be the pathway. This is supposed to be the pathway to get to the back of our house. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to go through that. Look at that. I'm not even gonna try. Not without some kind of a machete or something to get me through there. See if I can get up a little closer on the other side here. This is treacherous too. Look at this. It's treacherous. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way I'm trying to get through there. Now I wonder if that post is one of our property markers. It's got a I'm scared. Ah! Uh, So you can see it's got something tied around it. That might be our corner marker, but I don't know. I can't really tell, and I can't really. I don't know. It very well could be. But that means that all of that in there, we have to clean out somehow, because that's a frickin' fire hazard for sure. Ugh.
It's pretty devastating, but all is not lost.
We found St. John's wort. So I told Dave that we'll keep this plant. Try to, anyway. That's exciting. We didn't make a lot of progress, but at least we cleared it, I don't know, 20 feet from the gate. And we found the St. John's wort. So that was something that made me happy. I don't know when or how we're going to tackle this out here. We'll probably stick closer to the inside of the yard, although we do have a good probably 3 feet of disaster out here that's outside of the fenced yard that we're going to have to deal with eventually. Can't just leave it like this. Anyway, come back again to see what we're doing next. We've got the roof repair coming up. We're replacing the flooring. We've got some electrical work coming up. It's going on and on and on and on as we try to restore this property after the property managers neglected it for over 12 years. Come on back and watch us as we try to put this house together one step at a time. Thanks for watching. Take good care of yourself. I will see you soon.